It started over a dinner I called Shabbat Salam. At a time when the social fabric of our country was threatened by rising hate crimes and religious bigotry, we wanted to invite people from all walks of life to recognize the basic humanity that connects us, while celebrating our unity in diversity. To us, there's no better way to bring people together than through a shared meal. But to create the most inclusive dinner, we knew we had to provide food that respected everyone's faith-based dietary needs. So with the help of religious leaders and food experts, we created the first ever interfaith meats that follows the Bia Halal and Glut kosher dietary laws, with the purpose of feeding everyone, regardless of their religion. And because food is holy, we intend on treating it that way by only sourcing farm-to-table from local American farmers. Doing so is better for the environment and our health. And that one dinner, it turned into a series of dinners we continue to host around the country. When our guests enjoy our interfaith foods, they can experience inclusivity and coexistence with anyone. We now want to share these interfaith foods and experiences with our communities and you. Help us build a longer table, not a taller fence.
Hi everyone. Over the last 18 months, we've turned a small dinner series into an award-winning organization that creates new products and programs to foster interfaith unity. Now, we want to offer our high-quality foods to more people. And with your help, we'd like to gain dual certification by certifiers that have international accreditation while producing inventory for large buyers we're in conversation with. We're excited to offer more inclusive foods while saving them time, money, inventory space, and even food waste. Join our movement by sharing our campaign, offering a financial contribution if you can, or contacting us to learn how to build new initiatives with us. Thanks.